When you search for hard folding tonneau covers, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Tonneau Hard Shell. First up is the Tonneau Hard Shell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Priced at $499.95, it caught my attention with its strong build and sleek design. If you want a cover that combines durability with ease of use, this is worth a serious look. This tonneau cover is tailor-made for the 2015-2026 Ford F-150-55 bed. It boasts an aluminum frame with powder-coated hinges and panels made from Endura Shield, which means it's dent, fade, and scratch resistant. This is huge because you want your cover to withstand any weather or wear and tear over time. With a rating of 4.7 stars from nearly 900 reviews, it clearly delivers on its promises. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The extreme seal keeps out bad weather, and the hassle-free tension ensures your cover stays tight. Plus, you can snap it off in seconds by loosening the front clamps, no tools required. That's a game changer for those times you need full access to your truck bed. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high compared to other brands. Here's the thing, though, while it may be pricier, the quality and ease of use justify the investment if you're looking for longevity and performance. This is perfect for you if you own a Ford F-150 and want a reliable cover that's easy to install and remove. Skip this one if you're looking for something cheaper that may not hold up in the long run. For the price, you're getting solid value for your money. Now, if the price point of the Tonneau bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Tonneau Hard Folding. Next up is the Tonneau Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, also priced at $499.95. What really grabbed my attention here is its stylish shine finish that promises to keep your truck looking sharp. If you're after aesthetics without sacrificing functionality, this one's worth considering. It also has a fully locked feature once your tailgate is closed, which means added security for your cargo. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from around 900 reviewers, it's clear that users appreciate its blend of style and safety. Here's why this matters for you. If you live in an area with severe weather, the Tonneau cover is tear-resistant and designed to keep your cargo dry during heavy rain or snow. Easy installation with included clamps means you won't need a PhD to get it on. However, some reviews mention that the installation instructions could be clearer. But honestly, if you're somewhat handy, you'll likely have it set up quickly without any major headaches. This is perfect for you if you prioritize style and security for your Dodge Ram. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's super budget-friendly. Overall, you're getting a great deal for a beautiful, functional cover. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who value premium quality. Product number 3, Tonneau Hard Shell Tacoma. The Tonneau Hard Shell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is next, and it's priced at $499.99. What caught my eye was its specific fit for the 2016-2026 Toyota Tacoma with the OE track system. If you need something tailored specifically for your Tacoma, this is definitely worth a serious look. The fact that it keeps cool in hot weather is a nice touch for those scorching summer days when you don't want to burn your hands trying to open it. With a rating of 4.5 stars and over 500 reviews, it's clear users are satisfied with its performance. What's important is that this cover offers easy operation. Just fold it up or lock it in place with clamps. Plus, removing it is a breeze, allowing for quick access to your truck bed without any tools. If you're frequently hauling large items, this feature is invaluable. However, some users noted that it might be slightly on the heavier side, which could be a concern for some. But honestly, if you're looking for durability and reliability, this is a minor issue compared to what you're getting in return. This is perfect for you if you own a Tacoma and want a cover that fits like a glove. Skip this if you need something ultralight or are on a tight budget. It's a solid value for a long-lasting product. Now, if the weight of the Tonneau's cover concerns you, the next one might just surprise you with a lighter approach. Product number 4, BAK Backflip MX4. Next, we have the Real Truck BAK Backflip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, priced at $1,049.99. This one stands out for its premium features and is often touted as the best-selling truck bed cover worldwide. If you're serious about security and using your truck to the fullest, this is definitely worth considering. It's tested in extreme conditions from -40 to 180, ensuring it can handle whatever weather you throw at it. With 4.3 stars from over 1,100 reviews, it's a crowd favorite for a reason. Here's why this matters for you. The tight-fit clamps and improved seals are designed to keep water out so your cargo stays dry in any weather. Plus, it offers 100% bed access, whether you're parked or driving, allowing for versatility like no other. That said, some users mentioned it can be quite pricey compared to others. But look, if you're serious about using your truck and need something that won't let you down, this investment could pay off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality cover that offers top-notch security for your Chevy or GMC. Skip this one if you're simply looking for a budget option. It's a premium choice, but the durability and performance are hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option without sacrificing too much on quality, the next product is worth your attention. Product number 5, WHALEMOTOR Tonneau Cover. Finally, we have the WHALEMOTOR Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, priced at $489.99. This one piqued my interest with its fiberglass material, which is known for durability. If you're after a cover that can withstand harsh conditions at a more affordable price, this is a solid choice. The fiberglass construction means it can handle hailstorms without leaving a dent, definitely a plus. It comes with a no-drill installation process, making it easy to set up. With a rating of 4.3 stars from about 857 reviews, it has garnered a good amount of positive feedback. Here's why this matters for you. The aerodynamic design not only looks good but also improves fuel efficiency, saving you money on gas in the long run. And the added security features like reinforced hinges and strong latches mean your cargo is well protected. However, some users have noted that it could be tricky to align perfectly during installation. But honestly, if you take your time, it's manageable and worth the effort for what you're getting. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, budget-friendly option for your Chevy or GMC. Skip this if you need something that's ultra easy to install without any effort. Considering the price, you're getting great value for a sturdy cover. To wrap it up, we've looked at some fantastic hard-folding tonneau covers. The Tootle Hard Shell for Ford, Top Tonneau for Dodge, another Tootle for Tacoma, the Premium BAK Backflip MX4, and the WHALEMOTOR for Chevy GMC. Each has its strengths, so your choice really comes down to what fits your specific needs best. Whatever you decide, investing in a good tonneau cover is definitely worth it.